uKholeni wakwaMihlwana osebenza eMnyango wezemfundo kwa-Department of Education uGood District kwa-School Sport. Izolo bekunama-juniors abegijima lana, magijima lana sigijima kwi-level ye-district. Then we had i-team enhle kambi lapha esenza izolo. Namhlanje ke inhloso yethu focus yethu kuma-high schools. La sizokwenza khona i-team ezohamba yokompyuta mhla 6 and 7 nakhona kwi-province.
La nikhuluma noZakhelwa kaBhengu. Kulo nyaka nje ikhalenda lethu le-sport liqala ngayo ama-athletics. Kuzoba khona-ke nama-netball games, ngaphezu kwalokho soba nane-football. Khona neminye imidlalo ebizwa kuthiwa ama-indigenous games, IGs. La sidlala khona imlabalaba, sidlale nokunye. Khona futhi nane-chess, o-table tennis, kuhlangene kuningi esinakho. Wonke lokho kuzobe kwenziwa kulo nyaka.
Izingane zethu from the past years sesiyaqala besidevelop. Manje sekwi-stage la sesikwazi khona ukukhompyutha, siyakhompyutha manje la nama-district. I-team yethu is doing very well. Namhlanje sigijima as high schools, si-incorporate ama-SN schools.
Igama ngu-Andiswa wakafuyane, ngifunda eSiphaphemi.
Igama lami nguNhlonipho Ngcobo.
Uvo lwami ukuthi kuyasiza ngoba sikhathi wenza i-sport sidinga isikhathi. Moke waya ejimini and wangaya ucoach agqugquzela ukuthi woza ejimini awusitholi isikhathi sokunaka ama-drugs noma sokujola.
Angiredi ngale race engizoyishaya. I'm confident about that.
Today I did 200 meter, went pretty well. We started there, went around the bend, finished pretty well, came first place. And then I did long jump, went pretty well. I didn't do as well as I wanted to, but it still went pretty well. I came first place there as well.
My strategy is to stay in the second place for the first lap, and in the finish I came first and finished strong.
Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya, igama lami uThandolwethu Ndlovu. La eSalnatal sizokwenza ama-district games.
Igama lami ngu-Andisa ngwakaMjaji. Ngigijima 100 meters no 200 meters.
I'm here to do the 1,500 and the 3,000 meter.
Eyokhulu ngifuna ukusho ku-200 meter engikubona ukuthi angidlalanga kahle because isikhathi sami besu 22.45 and now isikhathi engifinishe ngaso beku 24.58.
No injury, I only pulled one muscle, but that was last week.
I would really like to work on muscle endurance and speed work. Yes, especially like muscle growth in the legs and core, because that really helps.
Bathi ngesi healthy mind in a healthy body. Lokho kusho ukuthi umntwana ukuze umqondo wakhe uswabuluke nakangcono. Kuhle aphinde athi ukuzivocavoca, athi ukwenza izinto ezokwenza ukuthi igazi lakhe ligijime ngendlela kuyona. Sikhumbule labantwana abasebancane bayakuthanda ukudlala, ukugijima, ukwenza nalokho nalokho. So ke kuhle ukuthi nasezikoleni banikezwe ithuba lokuthi babe involved kwi-sport ukuze ingqondo zabo zibe right. Bazothi sebengena ke ezifundweni uzobona ezokwenzeka.
Abantwana kuwumthetho ukuthi kumele baparticipate or babe ingxenye yama-sport activities ngoba ngokukahulumeni uyayathi uhulumeni kubalulekile ukuthi bathole noma ama-hour amabili esontweni ukuze bezokwazi ukuveza amakhono abo ngoba ekugcineni kosuku kusuke ngeve kulekelelwa umntwana academically kuphela kodwa kumele alekeleleke futhi nangasekhonweni.
So ke kuhle ukuthi nasezikoleni banikezwe ithuba lokuthi babe involved kwi-sport ukuze ingqondo zabo zibe right. Bazothi sebengena ke ezifundweni uzobona ezokwenzeka. Njengamanje KZN South Africa ku-matric results ihamba phambili number 1. Lokho kubonisa ukuthi ngempela i-sport sinalo igalelo nakhona. Izikole eziningi zethu ziyayithatha ke lelo thuba elinjalo ukuthi zenze imidlalo. So ngaba kuhle kakhulu ukuthi nalezi ezinye izikole ezingakabi nalo mbono njalo engathi zingabavumela abantwana bazokwenza ezemidlalo.
Nabo abadlali abasuka kuma-schools abadlala ezingeni eliphezulu. Siphinde futhi sibe nawo ama-athletes aselekelelwe yiyo le midlalo yezikole abaqhamuka la Ogwini District asebegijima ko-Pretoria, sinabo abalekelelayo emakhaya ngaleyo income leyo. Kuphinde kulekelele futhi ukumeneja umntwana as a whole ngoba sinabo abantwana othola ukuthi bagcina beyingxenye yezidakamizwa ngoba isikhathi abanaso siningi and banobungane nabantu abahleli abakwazi ukuthi babe ne-access ezintweni eziyidakamizwa.
After this athletics, i-district izodlala kuma-competitions. Sine-netball esazodlala all ages from 9 years kuze kofika ku-19 years. Bese siba nama-sponsored tournaments njengeMotsepe, neNomvete and other soccer tournaments azokwenziwa i-district. Kukhona ne-ladies soccer for amantombazane from ages 10 years kunyuka nakhona kuya ku-19. Izo zonke leyo ama-programs esazowenza kwi-district ethu ngalonyaka. Sinakhona amanye ahamba azayofika kwi-province, amanye ahamba azayofika ku-national.
Yeah, uma beparticipate kule midlalo okwamanje sisasele emakhaya ukuthi asinawo ama-club azobalekelela ukuthi kube khona o-athletic club. Mhlambe Ogwini nje sinama club angadlulile kwa5 okwenza kube nzima ukuthi umntwana athole amazinga angcono uma engangenanga kuloko kwezikole ngoba lokho kwezikole kuyabathatha kubabeke kwi-circuit, kubasuse kwi-circuit, kubakuse kwi-CMC, basuke i-CMC baye kwi-district, baye kwi-province, bahambe baye ku-national. La bezokwazi ukuthi balekelele laba bantu abanama-club asezingeni eliphezulu bakwazi ukubahlonza ukuze impilo yabo izoba ngcono abantwana.
Sibonga kakhulu ama-departments omabili, i-Department of Education ne-Department of Sports and Arts and Culture, nayo enegalelo elihle kakhulu. Nama-TOs esinawo namhlanje, TOs ama-technical managers, abantu abenza le midlalo iqhubeke kahle, yenzeke ngendlela ekahle, ba-officiate, ba-ama-judge, ba-ama-umpire. So-ke bonke laba bantu benza ukuthi lo mdlalo yethu iphumelele. Ngeke sikhohle ukubonga nabantwana impela. Abantwana nabo benza okuhle kakhulu, nabazali babo nabo bakhona namhlanje ukuze bazobabona. So-ke masiqhubeka kanje, ikusasa kalihle kakhulu kwezemidlalo.